Electrical safety in building works. Precautions must be taken against the risk of death or injury from electricity during construction works. Only in exceptional circumstances should work be carried out on live systems, and then only by a competent authorized person. Electrical systems in buildings. Refurbishment work in buildings presents the greatest risk and must be planned, managed and monitored to ensure that workers are not exposed to risk from electricity. Specific specialist electrical work should only be undertaken by those who are trained and competent to do so and by following strict procedures. The electrical equipment used must be safe and properly maintained. Incidents within buildings involve both qualified electricians and other tradespeople. They happen when people are working on or close to equipment that is either assumed to be dead but is in fact live, or known to be live but adequate precautions are not taken. There are many more incidents which damage equipment and thousands of near misses, any of which could have had fatal results. It must be remembered that electricity can kill. Unlike most other hazards, one cannot see, feel, hear or smell electricity, so there is no advance warning of danger. B. Overhead power lines. Any work near electric overhead power lines must be carefully planned and carried out to avoid danger from accidental contact or close proximity to the lines. If work beneath live overhead lines cannot be avoided, barriers, goalposts and warning notices should be provided. The following precautions are needed to manage the risk. Clearance. The safe clearance required beneath the overhead lines should be ascertained from the owner of the line. Exclusion. Plant, equipment or hand tools that could reach beyond the safe clearance limit should not be taken under the line. Modifications. Plants such as cranes and excavators should be modified by the addition of suitable physical restraints so that it cannot reach beyond the safe clearance limit. Additions. Cranes with telescopic or fly jibs may need additional restraining devices to prevent alteration in length of jib or angle of fly jib. Supervision. Access for plant and materials and the working of plants should be under the direct supervision of a competent person appointed to ensure that safety precautions are observed. C. Underground cables. Damage to underground electrical cables can cause fatal or severe injury, and one must take precautions to avoid danger. These precautions include a safe system of work based on planning, use of plants, cable locating devices and safe digging practices. Injuries are usually caused by the explosive effects of arcing current and associated flames, resulting in severe, potentially fatal, burns to the hands, face and body. This can occur when a cable is penetrated by a sharp object such as the point of a tool, or crushed severely enough to cause internal contact between the conductors or between metallic sheathing and one or more conductors. Incidents may also arise from cables that have been damaged but left unreported and unrepaired.